Miss Bowen from Peppractice. We are having a workshop on April 10th, 2021. You should use this time wisely, leverage the lockdown time and prepare for your examination. The cost is $2,500. Students will be signed up to our learning management system where they will sit a mock ability test. They will also be coached on how to sit the actual examination on May the 26th. What are you waiting for? You can pay online, you can pay via bank transfer, or you can pay in person at 51 Duke Street, downtown Kingston. For more information, call 1-876-427169. You can also send a WhatsApp message or reach out to us on all the social media platforms at